4. The food we eat. Hello buddies. Indian cuisine is one of the most popular cuisines across the globe. Indian cuisine reflects a 5,000-year history of various groups and cultures interacting with the subcontinents, leading to diversity of flavors and regional cuisines found in modern-day India. Indian cuisine is also influenced by many other countries. It is known for its large assortment of dishes and its liberal use of herbs and spices. Cooking styles vary from region to region. The food is rich with curries and spices, including ginger, coriander, cardamom, turmeric, dried hot peppers, and cinnamon. Indian food is different from the rest of the world not only in the taste but also in cooking methods. It reflects a perfect blend of various cultures and ages. In this lesson, you will learn about the Indian foods.
4. The food we eat. We have already learned that India is a vast country. It has a variation in climate, landforms, and also the food habits. The food habits of the people also vary from state to state. The various kinds of food like grains, vegetables, pulses, and fruits grown here vary from state to state. We also use milk and milk products like ghee, butter, curd, and cheese. Fish and meat also form a part of our food. Food gives us power and energy to do all kinds of work. Food also makes our bones, muscles, and other parts of our body very strong. A balanced diet is the kind of food we should eat regularly. The food which contains all the nutrients, minerals, vitamins required for our body is a balanced diet. A balanced diet guards us against the illness and keeps us healthy. The basic and most regular part of a person's diet is called his staple food.
As North India is a very fertile land, cereals grow here extensively. So, the people of North usually take a little of rice. They eat wheat, jowar, bajra. They eat chapatis, which are made of wheat flour along with the vegetables. They are lovers of milk products.
Rice is the staple food of the South Indians as paddy is their principal crop. Rice with cooked vegetables and curd is the diet of the people of South India. Fish is also taken by the people of the coastal areas of the south as fish is abundantly available here. Indians are both vegetarians as well as non-vegetarians. Vegetarians take vegetables, pulses, milk products, fruits and cereals. Vegetarians do not eat eggs, fish, meat, chicken. Non-vegetarians eat eggs, fish, meat along with vegetables, pulses, cereals and milk products. The Indians have a variety of tastes depending on the cultivation. They are fond of sweets. The people use ghee, sugar, jaggery and milk for making sweets. The sweets of North India are very famous. Rasagullas of Bengal, Papdi of Delhi are very popular. People share these sweets during the times of marriages and various other occasions with their friends and relatives.
South Indian dishes like idli, dosa, puri, vada, and uttapam are very popular all around India.
To prepare the different kinds of dishes, different kinds of oils are used in different parts of the country. Mustard oil is used in North India, coconut oil in Kerala, gingerly or sesame oil and groundnut oil in other parts of the country are used. India, especially South India, is well known for spices like cardamom, cloves, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and chilies. They are used to add taste and color to the dishes. A mixture of spices called masala is added in the South Indian dishes and non-vegetarian items. There is no taste for the items without spices. So, the spices play an important role in the food items of India. Leafy vegetables are available abundantly in the country. There are different kinds of vegetables. Some of them are eaten raw. Most of the vegetables are common throughout the country, but the taste might vary. India is very rich in fruits. Only some kinds of fruits are famous in particular states. For example, the speciality of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana lies in their variety of mangoes. Apples grow extensively in Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. Pineapples grow extensively in Odisha, oranges in Maharashtra, and jackfruit in Assam and Karnataka. Most of the fruits are available in particular seasons. These fruits are stored in storage cans by using preservatives. Sometimes fruits are also available in the form of juice and jelly. Vegetables and fruits get spoiled very easily and so preservatives are added. Most of the fruits and vegetables are exported to other countries.
Let's revise the important points.
1. A balanced diet is the kind of food we should eat regularly. 2. North Indians eat only little rice. They eat chapatis with vegetables. 3. Rice is the staple food of South Indians. 4. Vegetarians take vegetables, pulses, fruits, cereals, and milk products. 5. Non-vegetarians eat eggs, fish, meat along with vegetables, pulses, cereals, and milk products.